Voices in the static. Something's coming back alive. Broken signals in my head. No escape tonight. Cold blood, black skies, system failure in my mind. Through the shadows, teeth sharp in the neon rain. Everything corrupted, nothing's gonna feel the same. Echoes in the silence, breathing through electric pain. Lost inside the circuit, going numb inside the frame. Lights flicker, heart quicker, no control, no warning sign. Fall deeper, soul splitter, cross the line. Can you hear it? In the static. Can you feel it? Automatic. No sleep, no light, we ignite. Break me down. We're crossed loud. Bus attack. Underground, cut the lights, lose control. Be the fire, but watch it grow. Crash, crash, crash. Withstand my days. Nice, nice, nice. Inside my brain. Wake me up, or let me drown. Monsters in the signal, digital and half alive. Fear becomes addiction when the darkness multiplies. Static in my bloodstream, everything begins to bend. I can feel the chaos pulling me into the end. Blackout, burnout, hear the sirens in my chest. Break now. No rest! Can you hear it? Can you feel it? There's no silence anymore! Open up the shadows! Kick the door! Break me down! Tear it out! Every noise! Screaming loud! Blood rush! Bass crush! Hit hard! No love! Trash! 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 Into the void! Noise! 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 Paranoid! Burn the signal! Kill the sound! Stay. No way out.